Let's get one thing straight. TikTok is not just for dance challenges anymore, not even close. It has turned into a massive economic engine, a place where creativity, content, and commerce are all colliding. So today, we're going to break down how you can get your piece of the pie in 2026.
And this quote right here, it just nails the huge shifts we're seeing. See, on a site like Amazon, you go there knowing what you need. But on TikTok, you're just scrolling, you're being entertained, and then bam, you discover something you never knew you wanted, but now you absolutely have to have it. This is a total change in how we shop online.
And what does that shift look like in numbers? Well, it looks like this. A staggering 125% growth in US TikTok shop sales. And that's not over a year. That was in a single quarter of 2025. That isn't just growth, my friends. That is an absolute explosion. The opportunity here is massive, and it's happening right now.
So what's the engine behind all this? It's a concept called discovery commerce. Think about it. On traditional platforms, you have this long sales funnel, right? You realize you have a problem, you search for a solution, you compare your options, then maybe you buy. On TikTok, that whole process gets squashed into just a few seconds. You see a video, you want the product, you tap that little orange cart, and boom, you buy. It's totally frictionless.
To make sense of all this, we're going to use a really simple framework for this explainer. We're going to call it the monetization ladder. We'll start at the very first rung, the easiest ways to get started, and we're going to climb our way all the way up to the most advanced and scalable strategies.
Okay, let's start at level 1, the creator path. This is all about using the tools that TikTok has built right into the app to pay you for the content you're already making. It's for sure the most direct and accessible way to start earning some money.
The foundation of this whole path is the Creator Rewards Program. This is basically TikTok's way of saying, hey, thanks for making great stuff that keeps people on our app. You get paid based on how well your videos perform. But, of course, there are a few hoops you have to jump through first.
So these are the boxes you need to check. You've got to be at least 18, have 10,000 followers or more, and have hit at least 100,000 views in the last month. Now, yeah, that takes some real dedication, but it's a totally achievable goal if you're consistently putting out quality content.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. Your payout isn't just about how many views you get. TikTok's formula is way more sophisticated than that. Sure, video performance, things like watch time, is the biggest piece of the pie, but look at that second one, search value. That's huge. It means if you create content that people are actually searching for, you can seriously boost your earnings.
And it doesn't stop with the rewards program. You can also earn directly from your audience. When you go live, viewers can send you virtual gifts that turn into real cash. There's also a tipping feature for direct donations, and with Series, you can even sell premium content, like a special tutorial or behind-the-scenes stuff, to your most loyal fans. Okay, time to climb up to the next rung on our ladder. Let's talk about level 2, the seller path. This is where you make the leap from being just a creator to becoming a full-blown entrepreneur, selling your own products right there on the platform.
Setting up a TikTok shop is actually pretty straightforward, but you have to be careful with the details. First, you choose if you're an individual or a business. Then, you lock down your logistics, and trust me, TikTok is serious about fast shipping. Finally, you link your profile to the shop. And here's a pro tip. Make sure the name on your registration documents exactly matches the name on your bank account, or you could get stuck in verification limbo. Okay, so having a shop is one thing, but actually making sales, that's the real game. And your content has to convert fast. Every single video you make needs to follow this simple but super powerful formula. You have to hook the viewer in the first 3 seconds, then show the benefit of your product, and finally give a clear call to action, a CTA. So for example, a hook could be, I was so sick of my phone dying by 3 p.m. The benefit? Showing a slick portable charger bringing it back to life. And the CTA is simple. Click the orange cart to get yours before they're all gone.
And now we've made it to the very top of the ladder. Level 3, the strategist path. This right here is where the most advanced, the most scalable, and honestly, the most lucrative strategies live. This is all about leveraging other people's products and other people's money. The heart of the strategist path is affiliate marketing, and it's such a powerful model because you don't have to worry about creating products or managing inventory or dealing with shipping. Nope, your job is just to do what you do best, create awesome content that gets people to buy a brand's stuff, and for every sale you drive, you get a cut. So in 2026, there are really 2 main ways you'll work with brands. First is the open collaboration. Think of it like a public marketplace where any creator can promote a product for a standard commission. But then there's the target collaboration. That's the VIP velvet rope experience. It's invite only, with way higher, more aggressive commissions that are reserved for the top-performing creators. And this chart really shows why your niche is so important. I mean, the commission rates are all over the place. Beauty brands can offer these amazing commissions, around 22%, because their profit margins are high and people buy their products over and over. But tech? The margins on hardware are way thinner, so the rates are lower. Still, the products cost more, so you can still get a really nice pay.
Now, this might just be the most powerful tool in the entire strategist playbook. It's called a Spark ad. Let's say one of your affiliate videos just blows up and goes viral. With a Spark ad, the brand can pay to boost your video as an official ad. But here's the magic. It still comes from your account, with your name, and all the likes and comments, all that social proof are still there. It feels totally natural.
And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. Because they feel so authentic, so native to the feed, Spark ads get a 142% higher engagement rate than standard ads. It's a total win-win. The brand gets incredible results, and you get massive exposure, and maybe even a cut of that ad spend.
All right, we've climbed the entire ladder, from creator to seller to strategist. Let's do a quick recap of the playbook, and then I want to answer the one big question that's probably on your mind.
So there you have it, the monetization ladder. You can start as a creator, earning from views and fans. You can climb up and become a seller, building your very own brand, or you can aim for the top as a strategist, scaling your income with smart partnerships. And you know what? You don't have to pick just one. The most successful people are often doing a bit of all three.
And this is the question I hear all the time. It is the #1 thing that stops people from even trying. Do you really need millions of followers to make any of this work?
The answer is a loud, clear no. And this quote from Network Solutions says it all. TikTok's algorithm is the great equalizer. It cares more about content relevance, how well your video matches what someone is interested in, than it does about your follower count. A fantastic video from an account with 1,000 followers can easily outperform a boring video from an account with 1 million. So at the end of the day, it's not about the size of your audience. It is all about the quality of your audience. The real key to success in 2026 is building a highly engaged community within a specific, trusted niche. A deep connection with a small, dedicated audience is so much more valuable than a shallow one with a massive crowd.
Look, we're in this really unique moment right now. The barrier to entry for becoming a creator and an entrepreneur on TikTok has literally never been lower. But that window won't stay open forever. As more big brands and big money pour in, it's going to get more crowded. So the only question left is, after everything we've covered, where on the ladder are you going to start your climb?